As the Indian leadership reviews US ties this week with the visiting Secretary of State Antony Blinken, a paradox stands out. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Joe Biden have already agreed on an ambitious agenda for bilateral, regional and global cooperation between India and the US. That ambition in turn is based on the unprecedented convergence of India and American national interest. The situation is similar on the economic front. Although India is now the sixth largest economy in the world, there is unending concern about Washington imposing globalization on Delhi. Even as India's salience for solutions to climate change has increased, Delhi's debate remains deeply defensive. There are many reasons why the Indian public debate can't keep pace with Delhi's policy changes with the US. But those nations with big stakes in the US relationship have no choice but to develop the capacity to see the big picture amidst the seeming chaos that envelops American policy making. Through the last 6 months of the Biden presidency, there has been little informed debate in India on the extraordinary policy shifts that are unfolding in Washington. If the economic policy drift in the last 4 decades was to the right, Biden is moving left on the relationship between the state and the market on raising taxes, increasing public spending and addressing the problem of sharp economic inequality. Biden has also joined Trump in questioning America's uncritical economic globalization of the past. Biden's decision to respond effectively to China's aggressive policy in the Indo-Pacific has strong backing from the Republican Party. Biden is also focused on renewing the traditional US alliances to present a united front against China. He is also seeking to overcome Washington's hostility to Russia by resetting ties with Moscow. At home, Biden has underlined the importance of confronting institutional racism within America, reducing the mindless gun violence by limiting the constitutional right to bear arms and preventing discrimination on voting rights for minorities. Biden's effort will have valuable lessons for reforming India's own democracy. Thank you. That's all for today. For more current updates, keep watching Inventova.